guys. How's it going? Yes, I've been hearing from quite a few that you would love to be able to view your students in a grid view in Google Meet. Well, guess what? Another educator created an extension so that we can do just that. Sure, I'll show you how to set it up. Come on.
All right, now that we're in Chrome, let's go to the Google Web Store. And from the Google Web Store, we're going to search for Google Meet Grid View. Two options appeared. We're going to go with the first one, the one that is offered by stgnola.org. We're going to click on Add to Chrome. And we're going to click now on Add Extension. And I just received the notification that it has been added. Awesome. All right, it says it's added. Now I'm going to try it out.
Made it to the meeting. The attendees for the meeting are you, me, and 7 other instances of me. Yes, that's right. I had to log on to 7 other devices so that you would get the full effect of what the experience would be when you download the Google Meet Grid View extension. By default, I also want you to notice that after you install the extension the first time, the feature is going to be turned off, as you see here. I'm going to share with you the settings that come under the extension of the Google Meet Grid View. Just a few. All of them are self-explanatory, so for the purpose of this Petite Tech video, I'm only going to discuss a few of the settings. The first one is to include yourself in the grid. Now, this isn't a requirement, it's just an option. You can turn it off at any time if you decide that you don't want to be included in the grid. All right, and then the other one is enable grid view by default. I'm going to turn that on so that in the future, it'll already be turned on when I log on to my Google meeting. Now, let's take a look at our Google Meet Grid View in action. Okay, so here I am presenting, and here are the 7 other instances of me. Okay, the last feature that I wanted to share with you today is the enable screen capture mode. So I know we've all as educators had those moments where you were having an awesome lesson and you just wanted to capture the moment and post it all over social media, but you noticed that your students' names were on the screen, so you might have decided against it. Well, this way, if you use this particular feature, it will distort your students' names and you can post away. You can share the love and the joy that you're experiencing during your virtual class. All right, well, that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this Petite Tech video. Continue to be blessed and a blessing to others. Ta-ta for now.